made my best single, came out and felt so great.